Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I get to share with you a Valentine's Day card with a brand new stamp set over at the Gerda Steiner shop. This one here is called Only For You. It's the 3x4 stamp set, but it is so cute. It has the most adorable little kitties in here. There's one that's inside of a heart, and then there's another one that's holding a heart. For today's card, we're going to be using the little kitty that's inside the heart. In fact, we're going to stamp it 3 times. I'm going to use my Memento ink and stamp on some alcohol marker friendly cardstock here. Now I thought about using the sentiments. There's 2 of them in the stamp set. One of them says Only For You, and that's this one. It's in a pretty little decorative frame that has a little heart inside there with an arrow. But I changed my mind. I end up using the XOXO later on. But I'm going to zoom in, play a little music while I color, and then when I'm done coloring, I will get you back. Okay, coloring is all done. Now you can see I used 3 different colors for my hearts and then 3 different colors for each one of my little kitties. So they're all a little bit unique. I did get ink in their eyes, so I'm going to just use my white gel pen and clean that up a little bit. And I'm cleaning outside the lines, but ended up just cutting all the way to the heart line with my scissors. I just fussy cut it out. It was super easy to do. But and then I use my black marker to clean up those edges so you can see the white from the fussy cutting. For my background panel, I'm going to take a double stitched rectangle die and cut that out. And then I thought we would stamp a row of the XOXO sentiment. I want to use 2 different colors of ink. So I found 2 that kind of coordinated with the hearts that I colored in. I used a red one here, and then I'm also going to bring in a pink one. Now, I really didn't trust myself stamping a straight line. So I'm going to take a piece of scratch paper and I'm going to line it up with the grid lines on my map kind of as a guide. I ended up going out a ½ inch from my the left side of my panel here. I stamped the red one first, and then I'm going to stamp the pink one, and I'm just going to repeat until I have a complete straight line down the length of my panel. And I was shocked because it actually worked out pretty good. There's a little bit more of a space on the very top than there is on the bottom, but I don't think it's that noticeable. Okay, I'm going to flip over each one of my little kitties. I'm going to add foam adhesive, and then each one of these little hearts are going to be on the edge of my panel. One of them is overlapping the XOXO. This one will be here on the right, and then this one's going to go upside down on the very top. nice and fun and playful card. I think that looks so cute. Okay, we're going to flip this over. I do have some pink fun foam that's adhesive backed, so I just need to add adhesive to one other side. I'll just remove the release paper and then place this on the back of my panel. And then for my card base, I'm going to use a A2 size card base, and I'm going to use red cardstock. I think that goes really good with one of my little hearts in the background. Okay, that's adhered. Now I'm going to use my actually this is my NUVO Aqua Shimmer pen. We're going to add lots of sparkle to all of the hearts on our card front here. And then I wanted a little bit of dimension to each of the kitty's eyes. Now this is NUVO Morning Dewdrops. It's going to go on a little bit cloudy, but it's going to dry clear. So I'm not clouding up my little kitty's eyes. It will dry clear and just give them a little bit of dimension. I finished it off with a few sequins. And then that is my project for today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're like anything, if you want to see the new stamps, there's quite a few new stamp sets over at the Gerda Steiner shop. I'll list the Gerda Steiner Designs shop down below if you want to check out the new release over there. Thanks so much for joining me. I wish you a fabulous day, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.